we are here today to present the process and the results of the hand fire experiment that we have conducted. We sincerely ask for your attention throughout the presentation.
The hand fire experiment takes advantage of the chemical reaction between hydrocarbon compounds and fire, whilst using water and soap as the medium, therefore creating a burning effect while also not harming the hand. It's widely used for special effects and magic tricks. When the flammable gas in the foam burns, a large amount of heat is released, which is immediately spent on evaporating the water covering the hand. When the gas or hydrocarbon compounds mixes into the soap or solution, the gas gets trapped inside of the soap or it doesn't harm the hand. The materials and tools are bucket of water, lighter, dish soap, and portable gas.
Okay, let's move on into the steps. Step 1, prepare a bucket of water. Step 2, pour some soap into the water and stir until foamy. Step 3, press the gas tube until it mixes into the foamy water. Step 4, dip your hands in soapy solution. Lastly, set solution on the fire.
These were the results. The fire was flipped successfully, and we successfully did not burn our hands with the fire, and the soap and water acts as a barrier so that we did not burn our hands throughout the entire process.
Overall, the experiment was successful on our end, and we also found out about first, the more gas that it mixes into the soap water solution, the bigger the fire will get. And second is, the soap bubbles must be able to cover the surface of the water completely. If there is not enough soap bubbles, there might be a bigger risk of burning your hand. And we also have a safety precautions. First, do the demonstration in the company of an adult with experience of fire. Second is, the arm you will use must be salted with water of your hand, or your hand will get burned. And the third is, keep your hand away from your face. Last, practice what to do if someone burns themselves.
That was all for the presentation. Do we have any questions?
Because you don't show me right now, so I want to see the videos of you making this hand fire first.
Water, dish soap, portable gas, lighter. Let's start. Pour some dish soap into the water. Shake it off.
So that is it for our experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Your experiment should be in chemistry, biology, or chemistry. So the principle of your experiment is
It's mostly the reaction between the gas, the flammable gas and fire, and also the water and soap that forms a barrier between the hands and the fire so that the hand will get burned.
so what type of reaction in your experiment?
Gives off heat. I forgot the name of it.
Release heat.
Yeah, it releases heat.
Exothermic reaction. The type of reaction is combustion. Kalau di bahasa Indonesia pembakaran. So where do you get the oxygen from in your experiment?
From portable gas.
Portable gas is oxygen? Are you sure?
The oxygen comes from first the water that was in it and the surrounding air, which obviously can be toxic.
And it's trapped in your bubble.
you need to find, and it was, I believe, it was pretty much as impressive as any other experiment that would be any more complicated than this one.
Each of you, and what is your role to do this project, one by one?
I do some research for our materials on the internet, and I contribute to making our channel.
For me, I did some editing on the presentation slides as well, and I also evaluated and edited the insects of the videos.
Video editor and cameraman.
Can you?
I found some materials for Makasar and the presentation, and I found the picture for the purpose.
Okay.
I put the video together and I searched the access for the materials.
The materials. What materials did you look for? These experiments can be used in our real life, and what for?
It's mostly used for entertainment.
Only for entertainment.
Mostly.
Mostly. Okay. But here we hope the project of science is not for an entertainment. Because I want to assess about the English. If only you speak, how come I assess English for the rest of your friends?
It can be used for special effects in literature.
What?
It can be used for special effects for movies and animations.
Oh, special effect for movies. Or that's all for your group. You can close your presentation.
Okay, so that was our presentation. Thank you for the attention, and also thank you very much for all the questions. We are sorry for the mistakes that we made.